Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're talking about if you wake up in the middle of the night and you got reflux, you got heartburn, and you got GERD, some people call it, and you're just like, I can't get back to sleep. I don't have any Mylanta or don't have any Tums. You can literally just take this little home remedy. You can take baking soda and you just put a little sprinkle in there, just enough to kind of cover the bottom partially. I measured it out for you people that are a little more inattentive or a little measurementally focused, and it's about a little less than a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. And then you simply are going to take it, fill it with a little bit of water. You can use a spoon, you can also use your finger. And you're just going to shoot it, you're just going to chase it down. Now afterwards, you may, 20 minutes later, 15 minutes later, you may belch or burp once. That's totally normal, but it's going to really quench that fire that's going on and allow you to get back to sleep. If you kind of feel it coming on, I'll take it sometimes and then I don't have a problem. I sleep like a baby all through the night. You can take a H2 blocker like Tagamet, Axid, Pepcid, Zantac, or a proton pump inhibitor like omeprazole. To kind of help that during the day, but those are all over the counter. But you always want to seek the advice of a medical professional if you're having any side effects. But this is for the might help, probably won't hurt crowd, if you know what I mean. So anyway, give it a try. Thanks for watching.